on how to change your ringtone. So I know it's giving us this error right here. So if you want to go to sound and vibrations, go to advanced, and when you click on phone ringtone, it either shows something like this, or it actually shows another thing here. Let me go back here and advanced. Let me just select maybe this one, and it brings you back on the settings screen again. The reason why this is happening is one of the apps is disabled, and all you have to do is go and enable it, and then this should fix it. So go to apps and notifications, and then click on see all apps, and then you're going to scroll down to sounds. Where it is, there's sound. See, mine is disabled, so I'm just going to go ahead and enable it. And you can look at the permissions. It just needs access to your files and media. You can go back and go back. I'm going to go back and go back, come back to your main screen again. Now I'm going to go back to sound and vibrations, and I'm going to go to advanced. Now I'm going to click on phone ring, and voila, now you have all these sounds that you can choose from. And I just showed you the error that it was showing me. So if I want to choose anything else, or I don't know, like all the things are right here, my sounds, if I want to choose something different, save, and now if somebody calls me, that this is the ringtone. If I want to change my notification, I want to change that to maybe I don't know, why can't I hear it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, sure. Okay, so that is it. It's very simple, isn't it, right? All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you later.